All right, we're working on Mike's YJ. We're not getting any fuel pressure on the rail there. So what we thought was there was an intake leak on the inline pump, which is not the problem. I just figured out what's going on here. So what's happening is we got a bad fuel pressure regulator. So what's happening is the pump is supplying fuel to the rail, and this fuel pressure regulator is stuck wide open, and then it's just dumping that pressure back through the return. And we confirmed that that was in fact the problem over here on the tank, because we had fuel coming out of the return line when the pump was running. So we've confirmed that it is in fact a stuck open fuel pressure regulator.